As I look at that building, my last memory was being whisked through that building to a ICU room. It's amazing to be here, not only by the grace of God, but because of the wonderful staff here at Williamson Medical Center and the loving care that they provided to me in my recovery. Everybody that comes through this building looking for medical health and attention, whatever the reason is, from having a baby to heart issues, it is very important that they continue to meet the great staff, technology, and all the other great things that come along with that care. And like me, those people will come back and be able to share their lesson of life because they encountered Williamson Medical Center.
We invest in our employees, we invest in our community. Our community is growing. We have a tremendous staff of physicians, providers, and employees that our physical structures also need to match those types of things. I know that we're a growth community. I know that there is significant demand for healthcare services, and I want to make sure we meet those demands.
We are starting to take care of a much larger patient population, and in order to care for those patients, we need to really revamp our physical structure to do all the things that we want to and need to do for them. And we want to increase the services that we can provide, and we want to continue to care for our community in the best way that we can. We would love any community involvement, anybody who is able and willing and interested in giving to this campaign. We would love for you to be a part of this new expansion with us.
It is very clear that this hospital has a unique passion for the community that it serves. And I can tell you, first and foremost, I am glad to be a part and witness this growth that is going to take place.
The project allows us to improve access. The project allows us to increase the level of comfort and safety in a beautiful environment. The project allows us to keep patients within our own community. It's more for you close to home.